next project's going to be this. You might have guessed, an old tandem frame. We are going to do a bit of steam as well in the future, but for the moment we're going to concentrate on the tandem frame. It's an old race frame I've picked up. I think it's a Peugeot. Going to do some investigation work, look into that. It's had a few coats of paint by a previous owner, so that'll need stripping off. And also got a few points of concern, a little bit of surface rust, which isn't too bothered, but there's just a little bit, I'm not sure, it's just a bit of surface all coming through on the brazing, on the front seat tube here at the bottom. It hits the bottom bracket, so we'll have a look into that. Yeah, and also if you notice, it's had some old down tube shifters that have been brazed on, so we just cut them off. So we need to look into that and decide whether to refit those or whether to go for the shifters on the handlebars, on the brakes. We're not sure yet. So if you've got any suggestions on anything you'd like to see done to it, we'll consider them. I have got my ideas what I want to do, but obviously if you come up with a better idea, we'll go down that route and try it. So yeah, we'll get it sorted. So if you don't mind liking and subscribing to the channel and join us for this little series on doing the tandem frame, that'd be fantastic. Until then, YouTubers, it'll be great.